Are you looking for new floors in the Parker, Colorado area? Do you want to transform your space with timeless elegance and durability? If so, you need to check out Parker Colorado Hardwood Flooring, the premium flooring store servicing Parker, Colorado since 2002. At Parker Colorado Hardwood Flooring, you will find a wide selection of hardwood flooring options, including traditional, exotic, unfinished, pre-finished, laminate, luxury vinyl plank, and wide plank hardwood floors. You will also get expert guidance from our helpful staff who will help you choose the right flooring to match your lifestyle and budget. Whether you need hardwood flooring installation, refinishing, repair, or maintenance, we have you covered with our licensed and experienced installers. But don't just take our word for it. Visit our reviews on Google or Yelp to read what some of our satisfied customers have to say about our Parker Colorado hardwood flooring. Find out what others are saying about their experience with our flooring company. Whether you desire traditional or exotic hardwood or laminate, as well as luxury vinyl plank, along with dustless sanding refinishing, we are the local experts. So what are you waiting for? Visit our website today and request a free estimate for your hardwood flooring project at the link below. Parker, Colorado. Hardwood Flooring is your one-stop shop for all your hardwood flooring needs. Don't miss this opportunity to upgrade your home with the best hardwood floors in Parker, Colorado, and ask about our dustless sanding service.